Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a pack with me, clean with me, get everything ready with me kind of style vlog. So I'm gonna do a little bit of everything in this video. I'm gonna be working on shop stuff, I'm gonna be cleaning, and I'm gonna be packing because we are gonna leave to go visit my family tonight. So we have to have everything done. I'm trying to get this video ready so that we have something to put up on Monday. I'm a little behind on all of my videos just because the shop's 5-year anniversary is tomorrow, so I've been fully focused on that. And I just kind of slacked on videos, which is why a video didn't go up on Wednesday, but a video is going up tomorrow, which is Friday, and then this video will go up on Monday, and hopefully I can get myself caught back up. But I'm gonna kind of show you guys what I'm working with. My kitchen isn't the worst it's ever been, but it's not the best it's ever been either. It's kind of just not great. And then the rest of the areas in the apartment aren't too bad, so cleaning is gonna be like last on my list. I mean, I want to get the kitchen clean and all the trash taken out because at least if those two things are done, I feel pretty good about life. After that, everything else is just kind of on the back burner because I have other things that I have to get done today. I have to get some orders done today. I have to finish finalizing everything for the sticker sale. I have to film tomorrow's video, edit and upload that. I filmed the new release video, so I'm editing that right now. It's so much. So I hope you guys are here for a super productive vlog where we're gonna get everything done. We are leaving at 5 o'clock, well, 4:30, 5 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock right now, well, 10:10. And I know I'm gonna get it done, but oh my gosh, anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys what the apartment looks like, what we're working with, and then we're gonna get into this. Okay guys, so here's what the kitchen is looking like. Like I said, not too bad. We have some dinner mess there, and I actually spilled some couscous. It's dried, it's like not cooked. I just spilled it out of the bag and didn't clean it up last night, so I've got to do that. Also, I know I was getting some questions about why I've been using that cleaner and not my Jaws cleaner. You guys, I have so many cleaners and I don't use the same thing all the time. I still love my Jaws cleaners and I use them for other areas in the house, but I don't like having toxic cleaners, which is what that is. It's Lysol, so it's like, you know, got all the chemicals and all the gross stuff. So I'm trying to use it up and get rid of it because I don't want to waste either, but I don't want to have that in my apartment. So I'm just using it to wipe off the countertops. So that's why I'm still using my Jaws products. I'm still using my Mrs. Meyer's, my everything that I get from Grove. You guys, I have literally so many cleaners. It's ridiculous. Like honestly, I could probably use a new cleaner in every single video that I film because it was like my new obsession, you know. It was, instead of buying a ton of makeup and having makeup collections, I have a cleaning product collection going on. So that's why. It's not because I don't like Jaws. I still love their products. I'm still using their products. I'm just trying to get rid of that Lysol because it's kind of, you know, not feeling it. Thankfully, the living room is not too bad. I just need to pick everything up and vacuum real quick. So that is what I'm gonna do. My office is always a mess, but I'm gonna try to tidy it as much as I can. As you can see, I'm currently cutting some stickers. I was editing a video, which is in the background there, but right now I've got to let this do its thing because it gets mad if I try to do too many things with the computer. It will not cut. Also, I have all of these kits that by the time you see this, they will no longer be on sale, but these are all the new kits that are going in the shop for my anniversary sale. So they'll still be in the shop when you see this, they're just not gonna be discounted. The bed is made. Dixie, of course, thinks that she needs to sleep on top of that pillow. I don't know why. I have my hair dryer out because I'm gonna pack, and we have some stuff right there that needs to go in the washing machine. I have clothes in the washer that need to move to the dryer. The bathroom is just a mess, but we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get it clean. So yeah, as you can see, quite a bit to do. And I don't even know where to get started. Well, first I need to finish all of my shop stuff. That's priority number one, mixed with packing and then cleaning, of course, the kitchen. So yeah, that's priority number one, is to finish all of this stuff. You guys, this doodle sheet, it's doodle, what are these? Nail polishes. It's taking forever to cut, like forever. It's probably been at least 10 minutes since I started this sheet, and I'm waiting for this to end so I can film. Yeah, so I just need this to hurry so I can quickly film a video, and then I need to edit and upload everything, and then I'm going to get on into cleaning and packing. And like, look at this look at this mess. Look at this to-do list, you guys. I have so much to do. I still have to take Dixie on a walk. I still have to work out. I have to pick up my paper from the package locker because it was delivered yesterday and I forgot about it, so I need to do that today before I leave. I'm about to finish orders. I need to film the YouTube video, bunch of editing, bunch of uploading, clean, pack, work on the graphics, remove $2 Tuesdays, and prep the emails for tomorrow. And I can't do any of it until this finishes. Well, that's not true. I could clean right now, but the rest of the stuff I can't really do until that's done. And it's almost done, thank goodness, but why it's taking so long, I have no idea. Well, I mean, I do, because that's just part of it, especially when there's a ton of little stickers on a sheet. But I just want it to hurry. I'm just like, please hurry. I need to work. Okay guys, I finished editing both of my videos. I uploaded the one. I'm currently rendering the second one, and then I will be uploading it. And then it is time to get busy with cleaning and packing. And I also have to make some graphics for the sale. I have to work on the emails and then remove $2 Tuesday, which I'm going to do like closer to time to leave because I want to give you guys as much time to get it for $2 as you can. It is noon. It is time for lunch. So I'm going to go get James and we're going to have some lunch, and then it's back to work. It's cleaning, it's packing, it's doing all the things. What a day. This is it's crazy. All right. I'm going to go have lunch now.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally, I got you, baby, here in my heart.
Okay guys, so I have basically cleaned the kitchen, minus I have a couple of dishes here that I need to wash. Those are clean. They're just sitting there because I don't know where to put them yet. But other than that, the kitchen is pretty much done. The living room is done. I'm not going to worry about vacuuming, honestly. So I just need to tidy up the bathroom, finish packing. I need to take all of my makeup off because I don't want to sit in the car until midnight with makeup on. So I'm going to do that and then pack everything up. So I'm letting you know that, so that way whenever you see me without makeup, which you see me like that all the time, you will know that I just took it off so that way I could finish packing. But yeah, I finished orders, I packaged them up, printed the shipping labels. I have the email drafted, so I'm gonna like schedule it to send, and then I just need to do like 12 more minutes of exercise so that way I get that like checked off my watch. And then it will just be a matter of like shutting down the computer, all the electronics, unplugging things. So yeah, we are getting there. We are getting stuff done. And I feel like this video has been all over the place, but this is truly like, this has been the day in my life today. Just trying to get everything done. It's just a lot. But I'm so excited because in like an hour and a half, we will be on the road, going to Tennessee to visit my family. And I'm so excited. And I'm just ready for like a nice relaxing weekend with my family. And I think I'm going to be able to finally get a massage because Tennessee is basically opening back up, whereas North Carolina is not quite opening up. Like I probably won't be able to get a massage here for like another month. So yeah, anyway, let's go take this makeup off. I finished the dishes. Woo. Okay, so now I'm just cleaning the sink. I cannot stand the sink. It's just gross to me. So I always like to have it clean. And I heard from someone, maybe it was in Till Vacuum Do Us Parts video, I can't remember. They were saying that this granite cleaner will actually help like stainless steel and like your sink and everything. So since I don't have granite, I'm not going to use it on granite obviously, but I do want to use it. And since there's a use for it, I'm going to try it out and see if it makes a difference. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now, because that's the only thing I have left in the kitchen is just scrubbing down the sink. We just have to take the trash out. I'm almost done packing, and my office is just gonna forever look like a mess. But you know what? The important thing is I got all the orders done. I got everything done for my sale. So also please don't mind how red my face is. That just happens whenever I wash my face. My face is really red. So yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna scrub this and I'm gonna show you guys and we're gonna see if it works. Okay, so call me crazy, but I think that did a really nice job of making it really shiny. And there was this spot where like the soap would go, that there was, I don't even know what it was, but it's been there since we moved into this apartment, that I could not get like clean or scrubbed down. Like it just looked like a stain, and I think this stuff got rid of it. Like that's insane. And also the scent is cucumber basil. It's the best smelling one out of all of them. I think this one might be my favorite. So yeah, I feel like it really made it shinier, which I think was what it's supposed to do. I feel like this video, this vlog, has seriously been all over the place today, and I apologize guys. This has been an insane day. I've gotten so much done, but I feel like I've just been rush the entire day, and I literally have about 15 minutes left, so I need to like wrap this up and get my life together. So I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here, because like I said, I've got 15 minutes before hopefully we're gonna leave. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. I promise not all of my videos are this all over the place, but this was a true life, day in the life video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.